Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create Etsy mockups, and I will show you how to do it for free and also for a pro membership on Canva. So first of all, I'm gonna show you today how to create mockups on t-shirts. So for example, let's choose the theme dog lover. And as you can see, there's a lot of mockups already here on Canva, which sellers are using. So now I'm gonna go and find on Creative Fabrica a design which I love. I'm gonna download it, and I'm just gonna go from there. So first of all, I'm gonna choose this design and I'm gonna just download it. But this design is actually a JPG file and not PNG, which is without the background. So I'm gonna go to remove background, remove.bg website, which allows me to remove the background from the image. So I'm gonna upload the image which I want to use. So here my image was uploaded, and as you can see, the original was with a white background, and now this one has no background, so I'm just gonna download it. You can of course for the better quality sign up here, and you will need to pay some money to have a HD quality, but I believe it doesn't cost them much. We can go to pricing and see, but I'm just gonna download it. And after that, I'm gonna go to canva.com. If you don't have Canva already, just sign up. It's free to use, or you can also of course try Canva Pro. You have a lot of great things with Canva Pro, but today I'm going to show you how to do it with the free version. So now I'm gonna create a design. So for the mockup, we're gonna need let's type in Etsy shop. So for Etsy, we need a bigger option. So for Etsy, we're gonna need to do a custom size. Now Etsy has changed their listing photos. So let's click create design. As you can see, they are all square. So you will need to center your design and not write something on something like here, or it has to be centered, because as you can see here, you cannot see everything that is written. So this person might need to change their listing photo for in some time, but now let's go to the designs. Now I'm gonna need to upload the design I created. Let's put it here. As you can see, it doesn't have a background. Well, of course Canva has a background, but white background, and they also have background remover if you have Canva Pro. So keep in mind that you won't need to use remove background if you have a Canva Pro. Now to create a mockup, you're gonna need to go to elements, and on elements you're gonna write down t-shirt mockup, for example, and you're gonna click on photos. As you can see, there's quite a lot of pro version photos, but they also have a free versions too. So now we're gonna choose some kind of design, maybe for example this one. We're gonna drag it down. Let's make it more in the center, and now you're gonna go to your design which you created, and I'm gonna put it here. So here's how it looks like with a free one. And now if you want to create a better looking t-shirt design, you're gonna go to Canva apps, click on smart mockups, apparel, t-shirts, And of course, this one is not free. As you can see, it's only for pro version. And if you will sign up with the Canva Pro, you're gonna find all of these for free. So basically, you can choose from hundreds of t-shirt mockups from Canva Pro and use it for your Etsy store. So basically, you just choose a mockup, you just select it and click upload, click on your design, and as you can see, that's how it looks like. And when you have Canva Pro, this watermark is removed. So that's it, guys. That's how you create Etsy mockups for free and with a paid Canva Pro version. Don't forget to check out the Creative Fabrica, where you can find lots of illustrations and many other things for free when you sign up with Creative Fabrica. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!